G'day guys, welcome to another Mark Makes Tricks of the Trade video. Today I'm going to be modifying the wall of my shed here so that I can actually open up a section and make it a larger door to bring in bigger objects and also for working on larger projects. If you've got a similar setup and you're wanting to do the same thing, I hope you find this video helpful. Let's get stuck into it. So in the past, I've done things like a wedding arbor and a wine barrel, and it's been a real struggle getting them inside and outside the shed. The wine barrel project was actually done on the veranda because I just couldn't fit the barrel through the door. So what I'm going to do is basically make this section of the wall connected to some hinges so that if I need to, I can just open the whole section up. I've got these pad bolts here, and there's going to be one at the top and the bottom. So most of the time it's just going to stay rigid and I'll just use the door only. But when I've got those bigger projects, I want to be able to unlock these and just open this whole section of the wall. So I had a bunch of stuff just hanging on the wall there. I've gone ahead and taken it all off. So I've got a bit of a blank canvas ready to work with. So currently the door is about 700 mil wide and I want to make it about 1 meter wide. So I'm thinking 300 mil roughly over to here. So I'm just going to mark that out and then we can start building a framework for it. I also have this power point, which is also the light switch for my shed. So I'll make sure I steer clear of that. I don't need the height necessarily. So I'm going to start framing it out here and then straight down to the bottom. Also, I'll just have to move these bracings here and modify them. So we'll get stuck into that. All right, some good progress so far. Put these two center pieces in and I've left a gap of about 2 mil right down the center here, so that when I cut it out, it's going to allow the saw blade to run in between them nicely. This piece is connected to that one, but not this one. So this is the section here that I'm going to have opening. The hinges will go on the inside here later, but the next step is going to be making a cut all the way down to the bottom and back up the top right here. Now I've got to make this cut as neat as possible because I've only going to get one chance at it, and if I go off track a bit, then it's going to show. So got the circular saw and I'm going to do that cut now. Well, I think that went pretty well. Just got the one piece here that's cracked. So all I'll need to do is reinforce both sides of the cladding all the way down and get a handsaw to cut the last piece of cladding all the way to the bottom. Alrighty, we are just about there. So all I'm going to do now is chuck 3 hinges on and then we'll try opening it up. Hinges are on, let's try it out. So first got to open this door here, and all going well, I should be able to just open it up. Let's see how it goes. That is pretty good. A little bit stiff on the bottom, understandably, as it was obviously built flat onto the floor. So I might have to sand it down a little bit and also probably give this a little bit of a sand. Once that's done, it's just a case of putting in some locking bolts at the top and bottom, and that's project complete. I'm really happy with how it's come out, and now I'll show you how it works. Just got the reinforcing framework there, a latch at the top and the bottom. So open that one up there and also at the bottom. Open this door first and then I can open up this one. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Now I've got a door that can go up to 1 meter wide, ready for some new projects. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys again in 2 weeks' time.